Kembali lagi dengan saya Diva kloset. Ini saya menyervis kloset duduk toto. Kendalanya air tidak mau masuk sama ngalir terus. Ini tidak mau. Kita bongkar ya Pak Bosku. Ini cukup mudah. Ini ada murnya. Udah hitam banget. Ya Pak Bosku, nanti kita lepas dulu, kita bersihkan dulu. Misal tidak bisa kita ganti aja. Oke, simak terus ya Pak Bosku. Simak terus ya Pak Bosku. Kita lepas ini dengan kunci Inggris bisa, pakai tangan bisa, pakai kunci kayak gini. Kita lepas seal tipnya. Sebenarnya tidak pakai kayak gini bisa. Udah ada sealnya di sini, nggak apa-apa. Kita buka bautnya. Jika sudah, tinggal ini lepas ininya. Nah, ini juga ngaruh ini. Udah hitam semua, nanti kita perbaiki dulu. Kita bersihkan dulu ya Pak Bosku.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Kalau belum terbiasa pakai cairan, pakai kaos tangan ya Pak Bosku, biar tidak panas. Kalau saya udah terbiasa. Soalnya cairannya keras. Ini udah selesai, kita rakit lagi. Udah selesai, kita pasang ke klosetnya. Udah saya pasang Pak Bosku. masangnya gampang, tinggal gini-gini tok. Ini tinggal pasang ini tuh nih. Kita coba. Ini sih kita cek dulu. Nah, mantap. Ini kotorannya hitam banget. Nah, udah berhenti dia, masih berfungsi ya. Bagus, tandanya kita pasang tutupnya. Masang tutupnya mudah bosku. Ini tinggal kita masukkan saja, tinggal kita baut sini. Tidak usah kencang-kencang, bisa kuat jari saja. Udah cukup. Pasang tombolan. Kita coba. Kita pencet. Bosku, gitu aja tutorialnya ya. Semoga membantu. Matur nuwun.